Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can post on Instagram or Facebook for the combined, so you can do as well on the Facebook and Instagram to post that post. So you can see over here, open up your Facebook app and then you will comes in this page and you will see over here on the top a plus icon beside this Facebook icon. So once you click on this plus icon, you will see over here a bunch of options. Over here you can do as well, add your stories, reels and live, go with your friends and add your notes on the Facebook. So for the course of the video, we have to post on the Facebook, so we have to click on this on the top post. So once you comes in this page, you will see this option over here. So you have to do is click on this, add some caption over here. If you want to add it, you can simply type over here how to post, or you can simply do is as on your own. So what you want to add over here, you can simply add over here. So for me, I want to add it over here like this, how to post Facebook or like on Facebook. So you can simply change it by your own, or you can simply do is click on done and then it's gonna be uploaded over here. So and for that you can simply add over here music. You can simply click on music and select over here the music that you're gonna see over here, or you can simply tag your friends or peoples that you want to add over here in your post, or you can simply share it with your friends. So you can see over here location as well. You can type over here your location, or you can simply do is to add over here your location. And then you can see over here feelings and activity. You can simply add over here your feelings. You can see a bunch of feelings over here in the Facebook app. You can simply add over here, or like you want to add activities in this, you can see over here a bunch of activities over here. You can see, you can simply add it over here, and you can simply add over here events as well. As you can see over here, you can see these events. You can simply add it in your Facebook, so you can simply do by these steps. Or you can simply add your media over here. You can simply click on the gallery option over here, and you can simply select it from your camera roll that you want to add it. So you can see I want to add this image on this. You can see over here this image is also very lovely image that I have brought it, and you can simply add it over here. Add multiple medias to your profile or the post that you want to add it. So you can see over here, you can choose layouts over here. You can as well do this, or you can change this, and you can see over here you can simply do is as well. So you can see over here at the bottom you will see privacy only me. Click on that. You can simply choose it for your friends or the public that you want to add it, or look, you can see over here you can simply select it from here, or you can select it as default audience and then save. And then you can see over here, here's the option over here for Instagram. If you click on this, you can simply do is you can select your account and then continue with that account and then post it on that. So once you click on the post, you will see over here this option over here. So once you click on continue, you will select this who can see your future post or reel. So you can see as default I have selected for friends, so you can simply do is as well. So you can as well do to the public as well. You can change it anytime. So once you click on done, it's gonna be posted on your profile. So as you can see over here, it's gonna be posting. So once you have refresh your page, you can see over here your post is uploaded. Or you can go to your profile and then scroll up, and you can see your profile as well over here. So that's it. That's how you can post your post on Facebook. It's super easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.